Dell USB 3.0 Ultra HD 4K Triple Display Docking Station, D3100, black. The Dell Docking Station, USB 3.0 connects your laptop to up to 3 additional monitors, various external devices and the internet with a single cable. It features a convenient way to expand the capabilities of your portable PC and customize your desktop computing environment. This sleek, compact dock unlocks enhanced productivity and entertainment options with high-speed connectivity and support for Ultra HD 4K displays. It also includes 3 USB 3.0 ports as well as 2 USB 2.0 connections, ensuring compatibility with a vast array of peripherals such as external hard drives, printers and scanners. Moreover, it is a great choice for corporate environments with Wake on LAN and PXE boot on selected platforms. 2x USB 2.0 to 4-pin USB Type-A, 1x headphone input and output 3.5mm, 3x superspeed USB 3.0 9-pin USB Type-A, 1x network, RJ45. Designed for Inspiron 1575-67 gaming, 5459, Latitude 1373-50, 3350, E5270, E5460, E5470, E5570, E7270, E7470, XPS 13, 9343. 1x display video, DisplayPort output 20-pin DisplayPort, superspeed cable. 2x display video, HDMI, 19-pin HDMI Type-A, 1x HDMI DVI adapter included. Allowed for a triple monitor setup. See compatible Dell models in the description. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.